A wheel bearing is a crucial component that allows your car's wheels to rotate smoothly with minimal friction. Over time, these bearings can wear out or become damaged. Here is a simple guide to diagnosing bad wheel bearings. A bad wheel bearing often makes a grinding, humming, or growling noise near the wheels. The sound usually gets louder as you drive faster and may change or get worse when you turn the vehicle. This is one of the most common and noticeable signs of a problem. If you notice a vibration in the steering wheel or through the vehicle body, especially at higher speeds, it could be a sign of a worn wheel bearing. It usually persists even after wheel balancing or alignment. It often becomes more noticeable as the bearing continues to wear down. To check for a bad wheel bearing, jack up the vehicle and make sure it's safely supported. Then, grab the tire firmly at the top and bottom and try to rock it back and forth. If you feel excessive movement or looseness, it could mean the wheel bearing is worn out. In a healthy wheel bearing, there should be very little to no play. This test helps you physically detect looseness that should not be there. While driving at a low speed, try gently turning the steering wheel left and right. Pay close attention to any changes in noise. If the sound gets louder or changes when turning in one direction, it often means the wheel bearing on the opposite side is failing. For example, if the noise increases when you turn left, the right side bearing may be the problem. This test helps isolate which bearing might be worn based on how the load shifts during turns. After driving for a short while, carefully touch the wheel hub area near the center of each wheel. Be cautious, as it may be hot. If one hub feels noticeably hotter than the others, it could be a sign that the wheel bearing in that wheel is overheating due to excess friction. This method can help identify a failing bearing, especially when combined with other symptoms like noise or vibration. Diagnosing a bad wheel bearing early can help prevent costly repairs and ensure your vehicle stays safe and reliable on the road.